Hello, my name is Rachel and I am doing the video assignment for Calculus 1. I'm going to do it on Quiz 1, covering sections 3.2 to 3.4. My original grade on this quiz was a 9 out of 20, and I'm going to focus on question 2 that I got wrong and show you how I got it wrong and what I should have done instead. So first of all, the question says, find the limit as x approaches 2 for the function x minus 2 over x cubed minus 8. So firstly, I plugged in the values of 2 into the given function. So that's 2 minus 2 over 2 cubed minus 8, which ends up giving us 0 over 0. This is correct first step for this problem, but from here, I knew that 0 over 0 meant that you had to use analytical methods to find the exact limit, as the question says, helpfully circled. But I did forget during the quiz exactly how I was supposed to use analytical methods, and I also forgot the difference between analytical and using graphing methods, which is what I ended up doing, getting the incorrect answer that way. A clue that I should have seen was to find the exact limit, because as you can see, my answer is not an exact number, which should have been a giveaway that I was doing something wrong, but so I'll show you on the calculator. I went to plot my graph. I have it in here now, x minus 2 over x cubed minus 8. I graphed it. I put in the table value of 2, because we have x approaches 2, and then I found the table. It actually says error because obviously a limit exists, and so I chose the closest number at this point I could see, which was 0.0834, which is not exact and therefore not the correct way. This is also not the correct way to do it. We have to use analytical methods, not graphing methods on our calculator. So now I'm going to show you how to properly do it. I'm just going to rewrite the question. Limit as x approaches 2 of x minus 2 over x cubed minus 8. Now I did the first right step for this and substituting the values directly in, which gave us 0 over 0. This tells us that we can do more analytically on paper. If the numerator was a number other than 0, I would know that I cannot do anything more on paper. I have to go to my calculator and look at the table and the graph. So now we need to find a way to simplify this section here to remove discontinuities and all of that good stuff. So the numerator, it stays as it is, nothing more can be done to that. But if you factor the denominator, you'll find that it comes to x minus 2 bracket bracket x squared plus 2x plus 4. See, we have common themes here, or also known as removable discontinuities, so we can cancel those out. Get the limit as x approaches 2 of 1 over x squared plus 2x plus 4. From here, we cannot do anything further to simplify this function. If I wanted to, you could technically factor this or attempt to factor the denominator, but it doesn't really serve any purpose because it cannot cancel out with anything because the numerator is just 1. So from here, I'm going to apply the limit of as x approaches 2 and find, I'm going to rewrite it again, limit as x approaches 2 of 1 over x squared plus 2x plus 4. I'm going to substitute my values in. 1 is still just 1 over 2 squared plus 2 lots of 2 plus 4. This gives us, bring out the handy calculator again, 2 squared plus 2 times 2 is 4 is 12. This is our final answer, and this is the correct way to solve this question. Thank you.